Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make zinc cream at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: pure non-nano zinc oxide powder, a nourishing carrier oil like coconut or almond, and a natural wax such as beeswax. These components are crucial for creating an effective and safe cream. We'll combine them to form a soothing topical solution for various skin needs, ensuring you have control over what goes on your skin. Next, we'll carefully combine the base ingredients. Using a double boiler, gently melt your beeswax and carrier oil together. This method prevents overheating and maintains the integrity of the oils. Stir the mixture consistently until it forms a clear, uniform liquid. Patience here is key to achieving a smooth base for your cream. Keep the heat low to avoid any degradation of the natural components. Now for the star ingredient, zinc oxide. Remove your melted oil and wax mixture from the heat. This is crucial before adding the zinc oxide powder to prevent it from clumping. Gradually sprinkle in the non-nano zinc oxide, whisking continuously until it's fully incorporated and the mixture starts to thicken. Aim for a smooth, consistent texture without any powdery residue. This step ensures your cream will be effective. Finally, transfer your freshly made zinc cream into clean, airtight containers. Small glass jars or tins work perfectly. Allow the cream to cool completely before sealing them. Store your finished product in a cool, dark place, and it should remain effective for up to 6 months. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, soothing zinc cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.